What's up YouTube? Today I want to make a quick video on this Bluetooth speaker. It's very good. In my description I will have a link where to buy. As you can see, has a very big speaker in the middle. You can connect it to a post, and this one basically you can connect your mics. You can show you a little bit. As you can see on top, you could put your SD card, USB. You change the modes, fast forward, rewind. You got the volume, and over here you have mic MP3 level, mic level 1, mic 2 level, line level, master, treble, bass. And as you can see, you can connect your mic for like karaoke. You have it there. It's very nice, very nice. Turn it on. As you can see, it's very nice. Very good quality. The sound is perfect. I can't really put music because I will get a copyright, but believe me, trust me, it's amazing. As you can see, it's the Falcon model F11 5BT connected to Bluetooth. Awesome. Well, that's it. That is how the speaker looks. You connect it through the bottom if you buy the post. Well, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you.